Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this look right here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by priming my eyes using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I do not set my primer because it does make my shadows more vibrant. So I'm going to be taking the Profusion Sienna's palette for today's look and using the shade Madly with the Jessup Beauty 227 brush. I go ahead and pack that on the lid before I go into blending. Next, I take the shade Dynasty using the Stilazzi L220 brush, and again, I go ahead and pack that on right above Madly before I go into blending. And then using an Amor Us Duo blending brush, I go ahead and blend those two shades together so there is no harsh lines or edges. Next, taking the shade Groovy in the same palette using a Jessup Beauty 237 brush, I go ahead and pack that color right on the crease. And then using the same 227 brush from the beginning, I go ahead and then I go ahead and blend the edges out again so there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I like to place the concealer right on my lash line, look up, so it marks exactly where it is that I need to cut. This is perfect for those that have hooded eyes like me, so when you open your eyes, you can still see any shadow that is on the lid. Then I took the shade Polite and placed it on the inner half of my lid, and then using the shade Tickled and placing that on the outer half of my lid. And then using that same 227 brush, I want to go ahead and blend it out the edges so it's nice and seamless. And I did go back in with that shade Tickled and reapplied it just because I felt like it did get lost in the blending. Next, I got my Duo Lash Glue and started placing that where we blended the outer edge. So I can go ahead and put these gold flakes from GLF Cosmetics. I do have a coupon code with them. If you guys are interested, I will go ahead and put the details in the description box. But I want to go ahead and place this right on the glue. This is totally optional for those of you that want to make this look more natural. You can totally skip this step. It's totally up to you, but I really liked how it looked. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take these lashes from Blink Lash Co. in the style Drip Drip. Again, I do have a coupon code with them as well, and it will be in the description box. Then I used this eyeliner from Urban Decay in the shade Goldmine and put it in the waterline. I really think it tied this look together and gave it a nice touch. Next, I used my highlighter collaboration in Hopeless Romantic and placed that on the inner corner, the brow bone, and of course the cheekbone. I will put all the details listed in the description box if you guys are interested on purchasing. And that is it, you guys. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Sorry that I suck so bad at doing voiceovers, but I will get better. So please subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.